Good morning. In this success series, we see about a numerical problem based upon projection of plane. Already we see about a lot of problems based on numerical the projection of projection plane based on numerical problems. Let's see an example with a plane of square. Let's consider a square having a ABCD, it having a side of 50 mm. Its a side is corner A in HP. Its diagonal AC inclined at 30 degrees to HP, and the diagonal BD is inclined at 45 degrees to VP and parallel to HP. Draw its projection. So first of all, whether it is a, you have to find out what are the data given in your problem. So first of all, I have already tell about what is the plane mentioned in your problem. So what is the plane here? It is a square. So square means it having a four corners. That corner value is the side value is given value of 50 mm. Okay. So that is a first data. Second data is we have give the condition how to draw the square based on the conditions. So its corner is A on HP. That is the condition for to draw this square. Okay. Then after that, the AC diagonal, okay, is inclined 30 degree to HP, and diagonal BD is making an angle of 45 degree to VP. So first you have to construct the square based on its corner in HP. So first of all, you have to construct the line of XY. That is a primary important. After constructing the line XY, you have to mark it out as VP and HP. So VP is called as vertical type and HP is called as horizontal line. After constructing this one, so according to condition, so what is the condition here? That is one of the diagonal is in HP. Yes, sir. The corner A in HP. So that so we according to these conditions, let's move on. What is the conditions here? Uh, the A is placed in HP. So on HP or in HP, okay. After constructing the horizontal vertical line, you mark it a point as A. After pointing the mark it out, okay. So you draw the 45 degree, 45 degree to towards the XY line. After drawing the XY line, the line marking as a 50 mm. That is the AB length. Similarly, you have to draw the AD length also 50 mm. After constructing AB and AD, you have to take as an arc method by using a compass. You measure the value of 50 mm. Place the arc over here B and D. You cut the arc. The two arcs are coinciding point is called as C. There is a primary step. You have to construct the square based on the corner in HP. So now here we are constructing the left side A is on HP or in HP. So we are proceeding the according to our problem. So after constructing this square like A, B, C, D, you have to project towards the XY line. After projecting all the points like A 1 point, D and B is 1 point, C also 1 point. Okay. After constructing those points, you have to mark it as A dash, B, D dash, and C dash. Just you have to join the line of AC. Okay. So after join the line AC, you have to measure what is the value you have to drop. It's like a value of 55 or 60, whatever. What you have to just measure the value of A dash and C dash. So once you have to complete this step, okay. So what is the condition given in a question? That is a diagonal of AC is inclined 30 degree to HP. That is a condition. So what is the diagonal? So diagonal of the AC means that is a AC and BD. So those are the diagonal of our red square. So here you have to mention the A dash and C dash is a line. Okay, that is a top front view. That front view is a making angle of 30 degree to HP. So 30 degree to HP means we have to construct the angle of 30 degree with the 1 point. I have to fix the A dash point. Okay, so that I have to fixing the point of A dash. After using a protractor, you mark the angle of 30 degree. Then you have to already measure the line length of A dash and C dash. You have to just coincident with that angle, just you have to mark it out. Okay. After drawing the line of A dash and C dash, you have to point out the point of B dash and D. Where is it? That is you have to measure either you have to A dash or C dash. Okay. So just you have to point it out. That is B dash and D dash. Okay. After constructing the third step, you have to project the line towards the downward. Okay. So like A dash is downward, B dash, D dash also downward, and C dash also downwards. Okay. After constructing the downwards all the lines, so you have to draw the horizontal line from the front of you. Okay, like a B, A, C, and D. After coinciding all the point, we getting the square. That is the name is called as A1, B1, C1, D1. That is the fourth step of this diagram. Okay. So, but on our problem, again we have to condition. One condition is remaining is that the water condition, that is a diagonal BD is inclined at 45 degree to BP. That is another condition you have to construct along. Okay. So what I have to that is VP, that is a making angle of 45 degree. Okay. So how to draw this diagram is you have to construct the 45 degree. You have to take the fourth step of our diagram is a reference. Okay. So first of all, you have to mark the point, okay, on the XY line here. After marking the XY line, what is the angle given? 45 degree. So that you have to draw the line of 45 degree. Here, the diagonal BD is making angle of what? 45 degree. So that you have to measure the value. That is a B dash and D1 dash by using of scale or AutoCAD by using of line. Okay, you measure the distance of B1 and D1. Just you have to point it on the line along the 45 degree. So that name is called as B and D. Okay. So how to construct these A1 and C1 means you have to take the compass and measure the distance and just you have to cut the arc by using of compass. Okay. Similarly, you have to construct the C1 and the A1. After constructing this diagram, that is a tilted square, that is also called as a diagonal square. You have to construct the front view of this diagram. Okay, so how to get the front view of this diagram? First of all, you have to construct the imaginary line towards the XY line, like a A1, B1, C1, D1. Similarly, you have to construct the line from the third step of our diagram, like A dash, B, D dash, and C dash. Okay, after all the points are coincidence, like a A1 dash is a meet with A dash, B1 dash is a meet with B dash, C1 is meet with C1 dash, C dash, D1 is meet with D1 dash. After constructing these points, okay, like A1 dash, C1 dash, B1 dash, and D1 dash, after joining all the points together, you're getting the final projection of our country based on the our countries. Okay, so in this step, we have to proceed the two methods, that is the two conditions are given. The first term is inclined to HP, the second term is inclined to VP. But here the mention the diagonal name, that is AC and BD. So that according to our problem, you have to make the marker points on the our problem. Okay. So in addition, we have to give the addition one condition, that is in corners A in HP. So that is the condition to draw the top view of the diagram, top view of the given plane. Okay. That's it. Thank you.